Hello, it's me again, Adam Turner, here to show you where I'm at with that to-do list project that I've been working on a few weeks ago now. Actually, I did say in a video that that would be the last time I work on this because I had achieved what I wanted to with it. It is just a build in public for fun project that I'm doing as a hobby side thing. And I've been very busy. I started a new job. I've been there for a month. Really good company, really enjoying it. But naturally, I haven't had so much time to work on this to-do list project. But where I have had time, I've learned quite a lot with it. And it's been really helpful for me. So just refresh, that's what we've got. And I'll just quickly run through the UI and some features. I won't go into loads of detail. I don't want to keep you forever, but we've got this now we can drag and reorder tasks. And that's persistent. So I've moved that issue with calendar to the second position, and it'll stay in the second position when I refresh. So that has updated a column in the to-dos table, an index, and these are all indexed. And yeah, now that's actually quite tricky. I won't go into too much detail about how that works. And there are ways to make it as efficient as possible. I am actively working on that. But yeah, cool. So got this categories. We can edit categories. I can change their name or delete them. And I've got this edit task functionality here. I can change the color, title, and so on, or delete it. Got the filters, and we've got the sort. That's pretty cool. Nice. So if I change this to light mode, wow, shocking. Quite a lot of contrast. I like the color scheme, really nice for me, but I'm not a fan of light mode anymore. I don't use it because it does strain the eyes a little bit. So let's hit the code just briefly, and yeah, where are we? We're in Next.js land, and I'm using app router, so you can see I've got the app folder there, and I've got this API folder, and within the API are the routes. So we've got, let's just have a look at the to-dos route, for example. There it is. We've got all of the CRUD operations here, and HTTP requests that we can make. So we've got a get there, and that get handles getting all the to-dos. So it's just selecting all the to-dos in the to-dos table, and it's just returning them and storing them in state. So down here I've got a Redux toolkit, and I'm using create slice to create slices, and funcs to call the API, asynchronous funcs. So that's pretty cool and neat. There are so many things you can do to improve the performance and the user experience. So for example, there's opportunistic updates, was something I was researching quite a lot recently. That's where you just simply update state when you have a change, like for example, reordering a to-do. I immediately update state so the user sees it straight away. They don't have to wait for an API call and a database update and response. They see the change straight away. And yeah, but if the change fails, we'll know about it and it'll revert back to its original state. So that's an opportunistic update. Pretty cool stuff for user experience and performance. So yeah, there's a lot to this application now. I've got quite a lot going on. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I do have to improve some things. This sidebar is a little bit janky. Animations need to be improved, but not bad in my view at the moment. So I'm going to add a few more features and so on to this application or web application, and I'm going to iron out any issues, make sure there's good test coverage, and then I'll probably wrap it up there. It isn't something I'll turn into a commercial project. I don't see myself making any money out of this. Everyone's making to-do lists, and if you're going to go with a to-do list, you probably use Google Tasks or Microsoft To Do or something. But yeah, not bad. So cool. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching that video, and enjoy your weekend. Thank you for watching.